This is my Shark HydroVac Cordless Pro XL, and this is Shark's take on a wet mop. They even have their own cleaning solution, and what you get inside the box is going to be the cleaner, you get the surface concentrate, you get a multi-surface antimicrobial brush roll, you get two of them, a replacement filter, and a charging dock. So this is what it looks like up close. It is a very modern design. I do like the color scheme, and the key features are that it's going to be 3-in-1 cleaning. It can be used on hard floors, and it can be used on area rugs. There's settings that you can change on it. It has an odor neutralizing technology. It can clean itself. The water capacity is not large though, at 0.38 quarts, and the battery charge time takes about 4 hours, and that's going to give you about 23 minutes of runtime. And in actual use, I found that the HydroVac doesn't use a lot of water. A whole tank lasted me about 700 to 800 square feet. The HydroVac comes with LED headlights, so you can pretty much spot hidden dirt and grime on your floor. It has a LED display, so you can switch between the floor types, and you have a real-time battery life indicator, which allows you to pretty much see when you need to put or recharge the battery. It comes with the ability to eliminate odors and very easy to use. You can see I just press that power button and it turns it on. A question that I get asked a lot on any of these wet mops is how many passes or how easy is it to clean a mess? So we're going to try this out on some cold oatmeal, because oatmeal doesn't break down like cereal, except it's still going to be very sticky. And that allows us to run a more accurate test, in my opinion, because we want to make sure that it's going to be picking up not just small particles, but large particles and things that might be clunky. So we've made a pretty large mess here, and I'm going to use my unit just to clean it up. One pass, and it's picked up everything in that pass. Second pass, it's picked up everything as well, and third pass. And that's because it uses this kind of hybrid soft brush roll along with the ability to vacuum. Let's watch it one more time, and you can see that is not only is it picking everything up, it is actually polishing it at the same time. And the brush roll is treated with an antimicrobial substance to really preserve the roller and resist bacterial odors on the brush roll. If you want to see what the HydroVac's tank looks like when you clean it, this is why. It's all one solid piece. This just captures a lot of the harder or the larger particles inside of here, like a catch. So you could dump this out, and then all the watery solution will be inside of your tank. So after you're done, and before you're going to be emptying your bin, what I do recommend is that you put it on the clean cycle. So how you do that is going to be very straightforward. What you'll need to do to have it on the self-clean is that hold the Shark power button down for about 2 seconds, and then that will put it into a self-cleaning mode. It's now in a self-cleaning mode. It's going to start drawing the solution in through here. So what's my verdict? I think the Shark HydroVac is a very good wet mop. It's easy to clean, which is one of its strengths. It's powerful, it has good battery life, and it has those LED headlights which let you see your floor and just pick up the maybe stains that you might have missed. So with that, thanks for watching everybody. This is my review of the Shark HydroVac Cordless Pro XL. I'll catch you next time. This is David with the French Glow signing off. Bye bye bye.